TikTok not opening on your iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok app when will not open, keeps crashing, freeze or get stuck on the loading screen. In this video, I will guide you how to fix. So first you have to just open your mobile settings, go to the mobile settings, just open the mobile settings app. Now you have to just follow this setting. First you have to just need to click on the Wi-Fi's option. So first you have to just scroll down and you have to just turn off your Wi-Fi and just turn on your Wi-Fi. If you like using a cellular data, then you have to just turn off and turn on your cellular data, and just you have to just go to the back and just the second setting is you have to just open the mobile settings. Now you have to just click on the general options, and now you have to just find here you can see the you can see here a transfer or reset iPhone settings. Click on the iPhone settings. Now you have to just click on the reset options in the downside. Now you have to just find a reset network settings. Click on the reset network settings and just do here click reset network settings. So after doing this, now you have to just go to the back, and now you have to just open your app store. Now you after opening app store, now you have to just click on the search bar and search here TikTok, and now you can find the TikTok app. So you have to just click on the TikTok app, and just you have to just update your TikTok app from App Store. So if you like this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so you have to just click on the update options, and you have to just update your TikTok app fully. And after updating the TikTok app, you have to just here go to the back, and now you have to reset or reboot your iPhone, like turn off and turn on your iPhone, and tell me in the comment box which iPhone like are you using right now. And you have to just after update the TikTok app, and now you have to just after fully complete update your TikTok app, and you have to just open it. So wait here, I will show you. So my TikTok app is here loading, updating. So you have to just tell me in the comment box. So you are having these issues like your TikTok app is not opening or stuck on your logo and loading problem, which are you find your in your iPhone prop this TikTok app is not working. Okay, so sometimes have the server issues, so don't worry, that will be fixed. And just you have to just install your TikTok app, and other you can see here update show on your app store, then update your TikTok app. Okay, just open the TikTok, you can see your TikTok app will be open, and just you have to just you can use and you can easily TikTok app will be work. Thanks for watching a video. Genuine Guide YouTube channel.